Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. So welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video we are going to be doing a hairstyling video. So I'm just going to show you some of the hairstyles that I have been doing at the moment for my hair. So we're just going to go straight into the video. So I'm just going to add some water to my hair. A lot of water to my hair, and I'm going to put a leave-in conditioner. This is the Sheer Moisture Manuka Honey Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. So this is really thick stuff, so it's a little difficult to get out of the, out of the container. So I'm just going to add that to my hair. And then just going to quickly go in with a brush. Just to brush it out, and then we can get going. Cool. So now that that's done, let's get into a couple of my go-to styles at the moment. Just a really nice sleek bun with the bust down middle part. Couple hair ties, get your hair, get a nice comb, get whatever gel you're using. If you want to use a gel, if you want to use a pudding or whatever it is you want to use. Really nice, sleek, quick and easy. Now the other way that you can also do it is leaving your hair out at the bottom. If your hair is really it's not looking cute right now, but when your hair is nicely detangled, or if you want to add like a puff or something to your hair, so like some extensions. So when it's just like this, you do everything that we did in that video. I'll link that video. Do your baby hairs and then you'll be done. I'm not going to gel my hair because obviously I still want it to be malleable after I show you guys this. I'm not wanting to slick it down right now. So nice and simple. Now elevate the look by adding a really nice accessory. So something along the lines of this. It's just a hair tie that you just add, and it just heightens your look a little bit. It just makes it so chic and so nice. Something just really nice, simple, elegant to heighten your look, whether you're going out, whether you're going to work, whatever it is that you're doing. It really just elevates your look a little bit. So when my hair is really nice and curly and I've had put a curl cream and done a nice fashion go, I just do it like this, where it's just a bit more messy in my best white girl era. But when you want it to be a little bit more just piece de resistance, you can really do a nice sleek style. And then, so your hair is tied up, and then you twirl it like this. then your curls will drop down. If that's the look you're wanting to have. Oh. Take your hair, take your comb, remove your bust down, and then what you want to do is take your hair. You guys are familiar with I don't need to do a puff or anything like that, but similar situation with what we were talking about before in the sense of your curls. These days I've been really just loving having my actual curl texture just popping. You wet your hair. Then you want to add your curl cream, your leave-in conditioner, and mix it with a little bit of a gel. This is all I got. That's all I got. Mix it with a curl cream or anything along those lines. And just make sure, this works a lot better when your hair is fully saturated. But that's alright. You get what I'm talking about. What you want is for your curls to just look so juicy. It's not about a big puff anymore. I mean, it is. Sometimes you do want a big puff, but not all the time. So this will dry out, but a really nice, just simple puff. And you can sleek this if you want. Then to elevate the look, you can go in with your comb and just take out a little bit of fringe. The fringe will only work if your hair has, you know, a curl cream or something to just get your little curly whirlies popping. But how? In 2024, we're loving our curl pattern. 2024 is about curl pattern. It's about road to 200K for us here on this channel, and it's about loving your curl pattern and embracing your curl pattern. So, such a cute look. Should I give you one more? All right, let me give you one more. So, we're just going to take our hair and we are just going to take sort of the top section like this, similar to what we've already done. It's literally a half up, half down. However, it's with our hair. Add some water. Hydrate your hair, make sure it's well moisturized, add a leave-in conditioner or a curl cream. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked the video and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. I love you guys so much. Mwah.